Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to save for business expenses using Digit. Now, Digit isn't just for personal finance. It can also help freelancers, small business owners, or side hustlers to set aside money for business expenses like taxes, equipment, or future investments. Let me show you how to get this done. So first, set up a dedicated business savings goals. Open the Digit app, tap the plus icon to create a new savings goal. Name it something like, quarterly taxes or business equipment or just, client expenses. Next, choose an end date, if applicable, of course, and you're gonna need to set the target amount. Once that's done, you can link a separate bank account. Of course, this is optional, but if you want to keep business finances completely separated, you want to consider linking a business bank account to Digit. Just go to settings, linked account, add bank account, and follow the prompts. Next, automate savings. Digit will automatically analyze your account and set aside what it can safely move towards your business goal. You can also set up recurring manual transfers if your income is irregular. Next, track and adjust. Monitor your progress using the app's dashboard. You can also adjust your goal amount or pause savings if business cash flows changes. Next, withdraw when needed. When it's time to pay a business bill or to invest in your tools, withdraw the saved amount directly to your business bank account. Pro tip, label each goal clearly. For instance, Q2 taxes, web hosting renewals, or whatever it is, just so that you can stay organized and avoid mixing personal and business funds. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.